Right, let's unbox this thing. FS-GT2E instruction booklet. Boring. You don't need this. Or do you? Receiver, bind plug, and GT2E transmitter. Looking good. I think it takes 4 AA's. Yeah, 4 AA battery. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, I get it. Good quality. Yep, I like it. Hey, there he is. Beard's growing, isn't it? Wow. Well, here I am, pulling up outside my local hobby shop. Can you see Mike? That's Mike's models, right? And I've got this thing still in the back of my van. The Rush. I've been at it. It still didn't start. I think I needed a new glow plug, so this is what we've got. Can you see it? No. But anyway, that's what's happening. So I'm gonna go back now and try it again, just to make sure we got no more issues. And I think we should be alright now. And the Rush should be rushing around. Brand new glow plug, good fuel lines been cleaned. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all when I get back over to the workshop. Cool! Right. I'm back at the workshop. I had to take a break. It was getting on my nerves. I put it back in the box. And I went and got a new glow plug. Where is it? It is here somewhere. So hopefully now we don't have so much problems. The finger. New glow plug in there. Yeah, I needed to call it AA today. My Nitro wouldn't start. Did it come up for Nitro cars? Anyway, so this is the new. It's the brand new glow plug. Shows you the glow. What's he looking at? The lens is right there. Sorry, people. See there? Bright. Yeah? So, sorry, pardon me. That will solve our problems. I'll keep looking over there because this camera's really funny. It's got the lens on one side and the screen on the other side. So I have to get used to looking right at the camera. But never mind, we're gonna put the scene on. Sticker. Right, so back to the shop. Back at the shop. Let's do this thing. Let's put the glow plug in here and try and see if it will indeed run. Is this magnetic? Yeah, I think I should use a magnetic picker up. I forgot about that. I don't know if it will work with the glow plug. Probably will. Yep, magnetic. Let's get it. go. Offensive business. Should I use it earlier? New glow plug, show yourself. Take out the washer out of it. Look. I'm going to use a brand new washer. There it is. So, brand new washer. Brand new glow plug. Going down there. So let's get rid of the washer. Still down in there. Take that out of that quick fast. In with the new thing. Nice. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Alright, and that's that. Exactly what it's at. Right. Fire up it, blow and see what's going on now. You know you have a fire. Mate. Shot me once a long time. Right. Tonight we celebrate because they start on I got nice transmitter. I'm gonna give you a couple of reps. I'm gonna do it now. Power that on. Power that on. Yeah, man, so that was nice and easy starting up stuff. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Running rich. Rich. But running. That one. See, oil is nice. Fuel looks clean. Still have a couple of little bits of fuel nice. 3 times. 3 times in a row. More thing. So I'm happy with that. Money well spent. Can you see it? Holding upside down. Here we go. Not sponsored at all, by the way. Yeah. Cost me. Oh man, you can't see. Sorry. Anyway, cost me £6. Money well spent. I'm happy. Engine's running now. Idling nice. Let's take it off that blast. It's nice and warm as well. Cool.